Hey everyone, back in the CNE, August 21st. We're near the Better Living Center. You can see the water fountain. So right now, close to it, every year there's actually wrestling in the CNE. So we're just gonna go there right now and check it out. So Classic Championship Wrestling. It's on every day. CNE from 1 to 3 and 6 p.m. So let's check it out. We'll catch a match. Sorry.
Ring the bell. No trouble. Where's the handcuffs? Come on, Joe Bird. You think you're top ball? You want to start fighting? You're a challenge for us, please. Nice, Slipper. Yeah, that's one. Two. Come on, Red. Yeah, boy. Come on. Come on, Joe Bird. He's taking you to school. Heal the orange. Come on, Bill Brett, you got this! Come on, Bill, should be involved! Come on, to be in WWE Evolve! Come on, I got him! Who's that Roman now? Come on! Oh, can't do it! Y'all ready?
Yeah!
That hurt. One more time!
Yeah! Oh.
I got him. Let's go, Blueprint! Let's go, Blueprint! Let's go, Blueprint! Let's go, Blueprint! Whoa! One more time! One more time! Too late! Get him back. Hey. Hey. 9.5.
We don't want you here. Bring him back in.
Ooh. Oh.
Come on, Blueprint, shake it off. You got this. Get him in.
Gotta be in the corner.
Come on, Blueprint, you got this. Shake it off. Come on, shake it off. Shake it off to the big orange. Big orange got nothing on you.
Guard steal, Tony.
Big orange, big orange, big orange, big orange. Come on, big orange. Leave already, big orange. You want to go home, go home. Go back to yourself. No.
What do you say? No. What do you say? You give. No. Faster. So fillet.
Come on, Blueprint, you got this.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Come on, out of the room. Let's go. Out of the room. Right there.
He's a big pumpkin. Look at him. He's an orange. Big pumpkin. Come on, big pumpkin. You think you're tough? Let's go. Good job, Blueprint. You still got this. Come on, Blueprint.
Blueprint. Blueprint. Blueprint. Blueprint. Blueprint. Blueprint. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
Come on, Blueprint. Just think he's a big pumpkin.
Oh.
Come on, Blueprint. You got this. Go. Hey, go. You got the big orange, the big pumpkin. Finish him off.
Yeah! Finish him!
Please flip it off.
Oh, yeah! 1, 2, 3!
Here is your winner and still undefeated at CCW, Derwin Jackson!
Rhino. Rhino.
One more time, big round of applause for our winner, still undefeated, Derwin Jackson.
Alright guys, so again, it's every day of the X, and they have shows from 1, 3, and I believe it was 6. So if you're here, check them out. Free show, World Classic Championship Wrestling. Alright, so the next video. Thanks guys.